Hey everyone, welcome back once again to VIEH group. Today I'm going to tell you how to be certified associate penetration tester absolutely for free of cost. You don't have to pay even $1, right? It's absolutely for 0 rupees. So you are going to get the entire process, how to get this certificate for free and how you can be a certified associate penetration tester. And this is going to add a lot of values because certified certificates is going to just boost up your resume, right? So I'm going to tell you each and everything in this video, so stay tuned. I'll tell you the value of this certificate and everything, right? Keep supporting, be happy, right? So this is what exactly CAPT is. So first I'll tell you details of the certifications. So this is called certified application penetration tester. This is completely free, no hidden charges, no trial, nothing. So this is you are going to know exactly what you're going to learn, right? This is absolutely legit. This is fully practical courses you're going to get as well, and this is actually helpful because I've gone through with the modules. This is good, right? So in this certificate, it is focused on application security and penetration testing. That's why this is called CAPT. So it is going, you are going to learn finding vulnerabilities. You are going to understand how attack works, right? You'll learn how to think like attacker. And if you wants to move into offensive security, bounty, web application pen testing, this is going to be a perfect fit for you. Now, why this certificate is worth it, right? Is it worth it to do? Yes, because this is free. Haram kamala jo na lapet lo. Sorry for the full language. This is 100% free. This is going to cover hands-on penetration testing concept. You're going to learn very practically. This is complete self-paced and this is great for student beginners or even professionals, those who want. So most certification cost thousands, but this is not going to cost even 0 rupees. And guys, literally there's a lot of modules that you're going to get it for free. If you're looking for internship, you can see the bottom link as well. Now next, why everyone should take this, because here you are going to learn ethical hacking, exploring penetration testing, building a cybersecurity resume, or just want a cert with the real value, then you can get, then this is for you. Now the main point is, sir, you are telling a lot of things how to get it. The access of this program is, so I'm not going to drop link or something. I'm directly going to tell you how to get the entire course for free, because there's a lot of process that you need to follow. And yes, let's start. So before starting, I'll tell you this process is for sharing for educational purpose only, and full credit goes to sector 21 for this highlighting it, and I'm sure you're not going to miss it, right? So let's start with the course. You need to visit a website which is called app.hackvisor.com/home, you can put, right? So you'll land to a website. So what you need to do, you need to first complete the sign up process. You can do from here. Now you need to go into certifications, right? Once you click the certification part, you'll just scroll little down, you will see CAPT, certified associate penetration tester, and this is what you're going to get. Just click on view details. Once you click, you will land it to this page, and you can see this is free. But guys, this is free for very limited time. Okay, you need to complete all the modules. You can see pre-requirements and a lot of things is added here. You need to check this module, right? Once you click, you'll see a lot of things are there. Okay, just scroll little down, and you need to complete each and every programs, right? What you can do is, you can click on each and every, let's say if you want to complete this one at first, then go to content, click, and then you'll be able to see another one. You need to uh, uh, pass the test, each and every test you need to pass, then only you'll be able to move to the next round. And once you're done with all those modules, then you will get a certificate. So on the top you can request, right? Once everything will be completed, you will be able to apply the certificate. Once you click here, the certificate will be downloaded. So this is how you can access this entire course. This is absolutely free. You can drop a like and subscribe, because this is going to just motivate us a lot. So that's what we have, right? Thank you very much. If you're looking for internship, you can check out both the URLs. This is going to help you a lot, right? So thank you very much. Have a great day. Jai Hind.